Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonal Agrawal, and here in this video I'm going to be reviewing few products by the brand Lime Crime. Yes, they have finally launched on Nykaa. I'm super excited about this brand. I had ordered these two products from Nykaa. I ordered, I think the very next day I saw that they have launched on Nykaa. I ordered this Lime Crime Velveteen lipstick, one of them, and also I ordered this Lime Crime plushies. These both lipsticks were for 1900 rupees each. They were also running an offer. They were giving one full size Velveteen's lipstick on the purchase of rupees 3500 and above. So I was super excited. I ordered these two and I got my hands on this one as well. So I first will be talking about these two lipsticks, the Velveteen's one. I ordered the shade Pollet first. The outer packaging of this lipsticks looks something like this. This is a red cardboard packaging, and from inside the bottle is like this. It is a plastic container, frosted plastic container, and they have this classic doe foot applicator. And this is the shade Pollet. This is a brick red orangish kind of a shade, perfect for fall. The second shade I got my hands on. I didn't pay for it. I got this for free. This is the shade Wicked. This is a very beautiful shade. This is this deep maroon wine kind of a shade. It's a beautiful shade. These two shades are perfect for fall winter season. Now let's talk about the Lime Crime plushies one. I ordered this milk tea shade from this range. The outer packaging looks something like this. It's a plastic packaging. The inside the bottle looks something like this. It's a complete see-through packaging. This also has a classic doe foot applicator. This is the shade Milk Tea. This is a very cool tone, mauvish, brown, nude, everyday kind of a shade. First, let's see the lip swatches. Then I will be talking about my final thoughts on the formulation and everything. So let's talk about the formulation of these lipsticks and my final thoughts. So first I will be talking about these Velveteen's lipstick. The formula, the texture of these lipsticks are somewhere in between the mousse and the liquid. These are not very thick, not very thin in consistency. These are somewhere in between. Very beautiful non-drying formula. Yes, of course, before applying liquid lipstick you have to apply a good layer of lip balm and then take it off and then apply your liquid lipstick so that it does not dry out your lips. And the opacity of these lipsticks are very good. These Velveteen's one, these are very good. Just one dip in the bullet and you're good to go. These apply very beautifully on the lips. These does not smear or anything. One swipe and you're good to go. I really love the formula of these. These are very long lasting. These two colors will go with every skin tone, from fair, medium to deeper skin tones. These will look beautiful. And now let's talk about the formula of these plushies ones. The formula of these lipstick, I will say the consistency of these lipsticks are liquidy. I have applied this lipstick twice. Both the times I applied, it did smear on the edges of my lips a little, but I love the formula. It's not a very opaque formula. If you like your liquid lipsticks to be very opaque, you might not end up liking them because the formula is sheer. If you have pigmented lips, your pigmentation might peek through these lipsticks, so you might not like these. But if I talk about the formula is really good. This very lightweight formula, very comfortable on lips. I find this more comfortable than these. And when I applied this one, I completely forgot that I was wearing anything on my lips. It was so good. This milk tea color will suit from fair to medium kind of skin tones. It did last on my lips for good 6-7 hours. I love both the formulas. They have lasted on my lips pretty well. If you like opaque liquid lipsticks, go for this one. If you like your liquid lipsticks to be on the sheerer side, go for this one. Both of them are really good. I like both of them. I like the plushies one more because they are very comfortable on lips. So this was my review on these Lime Crime liquid lipsticks, the Velveteens and the plushies. So I hope you all liked the review. I hope you all liked the video. If you do like it, please hit like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.